Hi guys! So we're now here in Atlantis Hotel. This is one of the most visited hotel dito sa Dubai, but kinda expensive kasi nga parang sabi nila one of like 7 stars hotel. Hindi ko alam kung totoo yun. Search nyo na lang. So we're here in Atlantis Hotel. Let's go! Welcome to my channel! Ning Ning ni Neneng! Guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng Saffron Restaurant sa Atlantis. Chine-check lang nila yung guys, booking dito sa loob. Kasama namin si Cindy, si Lailin, si Papa, si Yana in Qatar. Kaanakan, love you. Thank you for this wonderful night and dinner. Yan na guys.
Our street counter.
Okay, this is a sweet counters.
You can chocolate fountain and you can get some ice cream.
Okay.
Along with the
Alin pa? Yan? Okay. This is the Thai section. Asian counter, this one. Oh. Okay. Asian counter. And this one is the bread. Gluten-free.
bread.
This one is
This
Thai. This is Thai. So this one is
Asian.
okay, because before the mayroon silang
Spring to be supplied. Chicken saute, beef saute,
Lailin.
wings.
Indian counter. If you want Indian,
You can get the light.
everything here Indian.
And here is
Western.
Western. European.
It's like this only for the side.
yeah, okay.
Oh, ito na sila. Beef. This all Western food.
And that one
Chinese counter.
Chinese
So you can get a
counter.
live dumpling as well as your live food. Second, maybe guide for me this food part.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, later. Chinese counter will be here. Keep cheese
Oh,
counter.
tingnan natin yung ano
Wait
niya.
lang. We will just
Nakabitin na. Wow. Wow, amazing. Oh, this is Chinese daw siya, guys. Kung gusto mo ng mga chicken.
If you want
tsaka-
Chinese or like soup, chicken soup, you can
Oh my goodness.
pwede na tayo.
Papa, that's your favorite, Papa, o duck?
Huwag na, mayroon tayong dakto.
Ay, ganun ba? Oh my
Vegan
God.
option.
I want the duck. Amazing. Oh, mag-soup muna tayo. Oh,
Let's go
ganda.
check our seats first before we will go round.
Papa, check muna daw yung seats. Halika na ba, darling?
If you want like makis and seafoods and the salad is here also as well. Ayan.
Oh, yan guys. Mga ano siya, oh. Bit abang klase ng... Wow. This is sushi. That is the sushi.
Japanese.
And this is salad. Oh, amazing.
This is our table. Oh, this is our table. Exactly.
Wow, amazing. That's all the food, guys. Start. Oh, ito ang gusto mo, Papa. Oh, fresh. Oyster.
Ooh.
That's the one. Oh, fresh. Mag-order ka na kung anong gusto mo.
What's this?
Ay, yung ano yan sa lobster. Oh, ito naman yung blue carbs, guys. At ito yung fresh clams. And mussels. It's making the fresh
Nigiri, salmon nigiri.
oh, salmon. Making the salmon sushi. Amazing. Yan. Amazing. Ito ang pangpapayat ito, guys, ha. Ito ang pangpapayat. Soup this one, guys. And this is wow, amazing. Dito na, kumakain na kami, guys.
Ayan na si Kaanakan. Amazing. Yana in Qatar. Happy now eating na kami. Ni Cindy. Ni Lailin. Ni Papa. Enjoy meal na. Oh God, ang ganda talaga dito guys. Oh, very amazing. Look at that guys, napakalaki. Ang daming pagkain na pagpipilian. Chicken curry guys. Yummy. Chicken curry. Roasted duck curry guys. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Good. This is the tofu with cashew. Oh, yummy. It's the squid with chili.
Tofu.
Amazing chicken. And spring roll.
Happy anniversary!
Yan, happy anniversary! Hi!
Happy anniversary po!
Happy anniversary! We are very happy guys. Natatawa si Uncle.
Okay, wish ka na, Anthony. Wish mo na kayong dalawa na kami.
Isasend ko to kay Auntie.
Ayan.
Yan.
Sabay kayo mag-blow ha.
Ayan. They're celebrating their anniversary here. Atlantis.
Ilang years na po kayo?
30.
Ay,
30 years. 30?
Oo.
94.
Tagal na nila, no? Naku, dapat
Yan.
sa...
Very happy si Auntie guys.
50th anniversary nyo yung tining. Invite mo kami sa Ireland. Sa Ireland, ang tining ha. Sa 50th.
Very happy.
Siya ang nino sa
Uncle. Okay, Kalas. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Nakalagay.
Ay, nilagay pa nila anniversary?
Yay! Happy anniversary.
Oh my God, Anthony. You're most welcome. Picturean mo kasi mo sa kanila. Yarn.
Premiere na yan.
Naka-premiere to kasi mahaba ito eh.
Ha?
Mahaba ito. Thank you so much, Lailin. Thank you, Cindy.
Oo, sila po. Ang tawa niyo po.
Tignan nga natin yung anniversary nila. Ay, ganun pala yarn. O, diba?
Happy anniversary, tita.
Kayo naman ang moment yun naman. Moment naman ni Lailin. Antining. And ang Galino. Yarn.
Picturean ko kayo.
Picture silang dalawa dyan. Oh, sa may
Oo.
cake na maliit.
Ay, naka-post ba to?
Ayan, picture na nila.
Ayan po.
Meron natin sa ano.
Yes po. Ayan po. One. Kita. One, two, three. One more po. Oh.
ganda, grabe. Nandito na kami sa labasan. Kasama sila Yana, Olen. Eto guys, sa labas na ng Atlantis Hotel. After ng dinner, dito kami nagtambay-tambay. Oh, kasama si Darling. Ayan, si Darling. Oh, ha? Ah, ganda. Ang ganda, oh. Wow. Ang ganda, oh. Uy, grabe, oh. Ay, ang ganda pala dyan, oh. Tingnan mo.
Ay, oo.
Oh.
Ito. Ganda
O,
no.
pang short natin. Ang ganda, grabe. Much, guys, for your love and support on this channel. I love you, I love you, I love you.